Hey guys, if you might have seen in a previous video, I made a storage platform for the rear of my Jeep, and I made it sit up a few inches, as you can see here, because I had the electronics, the amplifier, and the power cap in the trunk of my Jeep, so I had to elevate it so it would clear that. But since I have moved those electronics to under my seats, that means I don't need to have the storage platform elevated anymore. So today I'm going to go ahead and take these feet off. And also I might take these off and lay them flat. And that way it'll bring the platform down a little bit and give me more space to use, because there's no need for that space underneath the storage platform. Alright, so we got everything done right here. I went ahead and reused the front and back panels that was on the face of the shelf and the back face of the shelf. Went ahead and used those as the bottom rails. And this is because there are a few anchor points on the factory tub of the Jeep, so this will let it raise up, and so it won't be sitting on those anchor points, it'll be up above them. So I guess the next thing to do is to put it in the Jeep and see how it looks. Alright, so I went ahead and did the first test fit, and I realized that obviously since it's going to go lower, the contour is going to be different. So turns out that the bottom is just a straight line. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that real quick and test it again. Also, the anchor points for the back seats were a little bit higher than the feet I added, or the rails I added. So we're going to have to go ahead and add another piece of wood to raise it up a bit further, and then it should be good. So let's go ahead and do that, and then we'll go ahead and test fit it again. Alright, so I did not like how big the gap was between the bottom of the shelf and the top of the tub. So I'm going to go ahead and move these feet out, and that way they won't be on top of this, so it'll decrease that space by, a half an inch. As you might have noticed, the shelf was kind of teetering, and that's probably because those feet were too close together, so moving them out will make it more steady. So let's go ahead and do it, and then try it one more time. Finally, perfect. So as you can see here, we got the platform installed and it fits perfectly. I'm gonna go ahead now and reinstall the carpet on it so it is fully finished, and so it can close up these small gaps on each side so it looks perfect. Let's go ahead and do that and show you guys what it looks like. There is the final product. It looks absolutely amazing. Now it's time to install it and then show you guys. So now that I have it 100% complete, you can see that I added the factory carpets back in, and that is because now that I have this factory soft top back, I won't have to worry as much about rain or just any water getting to the carpet and making it wet. It also helps close the gaps on the platform and keeps it from moving anywhere, and overall it gives it a more complete look in the back of the Jeep. Now you might be asking, why would I add this platform when there are already anchor points on the factory tub? With the platform, I have more possibilities to add more things to it. So I can add anchor points, but I can also add sliders for any drawers I want to add, or any shelves that I want to add to it. I can just screw into the wood, and it will be super easy to add onto. Now also you can see that it is really low profile and it looks really good overall. Here's an overview. Now with everything back in the Jeep, you can see it looks much more complete and much better than it did before with just the open metal showing. And overall, I'm really happy with how it turned out. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you leave a like on the video and comment down below what you thought. If you want to see the video of me making the platform in the first place, click right up here and watch that video. Oh, I'm so hungry. But other than that, make sure you subscribe because I have a bunch of content coming for you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.